welfare and health, animal health goes hand in hand. I mean, really a good welfare means healthy animal. And antibiotic-free programs put a lot of pressure on the health programs. Again, it puts a lot of pressure on the management at the farm in terms of biosecurity and in terms of sanitation. In the absence of these antimicrobials, it's extremely difficult to assure. You're always worrying about a health issue, and animals could suffer if those antibiotics or products are not available. It has not been easy to replace antibiotics. This has been tried for the last 10, 20 years through the use of a number of other natural compounds. Obviously, that's one of the first objective metrics we look at when we assess flock health, is that you will quickly see a jump in mortality. And typically with antibiotic-free programs, we have higher levels of mortality. And again, because that animal needs help to fight those infections, sometimes at the very subclinical level, just enough to tip the balance of that animal not to survive. So, and that's of course a welfare issue. We want all of our animals to survive. If you can't maintain a good flock health, it's going to increase production costs. So the food is going to become more expensive for the consumer because you would have to make adjustments in your production and processing system in the absence of these interventions. That would mean less birds, less maybe placement density, that's density of the production facilities, higher mortality levels, so you place 100 chicks, but you can only harvest 90, 95 or less, depending on the disease situation, more welfare issues. And of course there's other, if you have to kind of release them out in the open, free range and all that stuff is gonna really limit our production capacity and increase the cost for the consumer. So chicken may not become #1 meat protein source after all, if that happens, because it would be unaffordable for many. There's no difference between a white egg and a brown egg, but brown eggs bring premium perception otherwise, and there's no difference between a antibiotic-free versus a conventional chicken. There's no difference between a free-range chicken and a conventional chicken in terms of nutrients, taste. On the safety side, I'm not sure. There may be some issues there, but we'll leave that to another discussion, I guess.